Hello, dear students. I hope all of you are doing fine and you're enjoying your summer vacations. Now, as I had told you that I will be showing you a sample of the entrepreneurship project. This is for class 11. I'm showing this to you so that you can get an idea of how to go ahead with the project. Now, let me tell you one thing in advance that this is just a sample that I will be showing you, and it's nothing like you have to do it this particular manner only. And especially when we are talking about entrepreneurship, where we keep on talking about creativity and innovation. So definitely there cannot be just one way of doing a project, but this is just a sample, you can say a guide, hoping that it will help you in going ahead with it so that you know what is expected from you, what are the pages, the title, the contents and stuff like that. So this one will be this project, the heading shall be learn to earn, which I'm sure you all have already come to know about it, and you must have got it for your holiday homework, or at least it has been discussed in class, because this is normally the first file that we start with, but obviously it's the discretion of the school and your teachers. So let's begin. This is the file cover. Okay, now most of you will be advised and asked to make your projects in a shoelace file. Okay, there can be different options. There are options. I mean, you can go for spiral binding. There is also something called as channel file, though we don't prefer that. This is the one that mostly the schools will ask you to do, that is, do it on a shoelace file. Why in a shoelace file? Because this has certain advantages. You can easily take out the pages and you can keep on adding pages to it, and so deletions, additions are very easy. But when you're going for a spiral binding, in that case, deleting or adding becomes difficult. So you have to be very sure about your project, and only then you can go for your spiral binding, provided the school and your teachers allows that. Okay, now so let's begin with the cover. The cover can be just a simple brown paper cover with your subject, topic and year mentioned. Like if it's a class 12 project, then we don't write the name of the student on top of the file. It's just the board roll number, the project topic and things like that. But this was for class 11. So here you can decorate your file if you're allowed to do so. Make sure that the decoration matches with the content. So don't unnecessarily keep on putting glitters and stickers and pictures which are irrelevant. This is how my student had done it, and this place that you're seeing with this white thing attached, this actually contains the name, class, section and year details about the student, but that will not help you, so I have just covered it up. So this is how she had covered up her file. Now let's go to the next page, that is the first page. Here also she had written her name, class, section and the project once again. So this is just the first page. So you can do it your way. You need not paint or draw. You can just keep it very simple. Just make it neat. All right. Next comes this page where she introduces her topic. Like what is she doing? Her Learn to Earn project, it was on handmade card. So she has given a sample of the card. Okay. And see how beautifully she has done this. This is all quilling, handmade things. She had done it on her own. And this is how she had made the card also. It's very good to give a sample, a real sample. Okay. And here, card making business. Here her name was there, which again I have covered up. Going to the next page, which is your index. Now, index can be beautifully done like this. It could also be smartly done, neatly done. It should be there. And there are certain things that you should keep in mind, like your index should have the heading, index. Then there should be a column where the serial number will be mentioned. So you can separately make a column also. It could be just a white paper with neat columns, and typed out things or handwritten things in very bold and clear ones. So that is also fine. So put the serial number. Then comes your content details. What are the pages? What will they contain? Okay, so that particular detail is here. Then you have the page number, which is very important. Index should have the page number. Some students miss out on that. In that case, index has no meaning. Okay, so index should be with this. The page number should be there. And beside this, you can again put another column if you want. Like here, she did not put, that is okay. But you can put another column which says signature of the teacher, date and signature of the teacher. Some students also prefer putting a remark column. So these are all optional things which you can keep on adding. This was her acknowledgement. Now she has made it in a very innovative and creative manner, very beautifully done. But